Let's create a data card with details on it. Your data cards are used for your key metrics. They're the start of your data story. For our sales dashboard, this is going to be our sales value. So to start, we press the data card icon with the lightning bolt. We're going to resize it by left-clicking and dragging over. And once again, we're going to left-click and give it some padding. Make sure you've got it selected, then come over and drag your price down into the data section. And you'll notice that it has summarized that as sum. So our sales are just over $3,000. In the card, it's given us the title of sum of price. We want to change this to sales, and we can do that by coming over to the visualization pane, clicking the down arrow and saying rename for this visual. So we'll change this to sales and press enter. And now the fun part, we're going to add our detail to the data card. So we open up the format pane by clicking the button with the bar and brush and come down to reference labels. We then have this option to add a label in. We're going to pull in our price again. But this time, we're going to press the arrow next to it and we're going to change it to average. So we can now see the average of our sales is $8. I want to change that title once again, but this time you have to do it in the reference label area. So if I come down and select average of price, and then come down to my content and change that to custom, it then gives me the option to change this title, and I'm going to type in AVG dot for my average, and then I'm going to format the value. I'm going to make it bold and size 14. Last of all, I want to turn off the background and the divider line here. If I come down, I can see they're grayed out currently, and that's because I've got my label selected. So if I come up here into the reference label section and move to all, I then have those options to turn these off. And that is it. We've created our data card with our average detail.